Okay, everyone. So, got our spacers or spoke covers cut. What you do is measure up one, cut them all in your kitchen, whatever, all by hand. Cover up your spokes. I already did one. That's what it looks like compared to that. Let's do a backup view. There's the pack. The back ones I got put on. I think it looks pretty killer. It's for the old woman's bike. She's gonna love it. Matches her Pro Taper bar. Pink. From this side, Pro Taper bar with the pink. Should make it look more girly for her. So we'll go ahead and continue this video. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Because fire season is going to be over here soon, and I think we're going to be doing some riding, and some jeeping, some hunting. Got the rough country lift on her. This is a bike video today, so stay tuned. Alright, everyone, finished product. Roll it up here a little bit. It's starting to get dusk out. So we got our front one and our back one. Stand back a little bit. So let's go ahead and call her out here and see what she thinks of it. I think it's pretty rad. Pretty freaking cool. Alright. Tap on the window. Hey, babe. Come here. So like I said, just these little things, pre-cut.
Ooh,
You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Go ahead and sit up on it real quick.
Oh,
PJs or not. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
The grips.
I think it needs more pink, though.
Well, yeah. That's a start.
I like it a lot.
It looks pretty
I
killer.
wonder if they're gonna like fly off as we're going.
No, they're on there pretty freaking tight. They actually lock each other on.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you got to tell the subscribers?
Like, share, and subscribe.
If you want to watch more videos like this, let us know. Like I said, fire season's about over, so please stay tuned for the next couple videos. Should be getting better after the smoke. Alright, thank you everyone for watching.